Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to change the display name of your Roblox account. So you can change the display name in two ways. If you're using Roblox without having installed the app on your computer or on your phone, then all you need to do is simply launch Roblox and log into your account. And then from here, you want to click on this settings icon and then select settings. In your settings, you should see your current display name here. So by default, Roblox normally uses your username as your display name. So if you want to customize it, it's fairly simple. Come to this edit icon right here next to the display name. And then you want to erase the current name you're using and type in your own name that you want to use as your display name. Bear in mind that you can only change this once every 7 days. So choose a display name that you're comfortable with and then click on save. And it won't cost you anything just to change your display name. Once you've done that, as you can see, my display name changes have been added. So now it's different from my username. If you're using the app on your computer, then changing the display name is slightly different. So again, launch Roblox and then come to this account icon here and click on it. You should see a current display name right here. So to edit it, click on edit and then change your display name. Again, bear in mind, because this is the same account that you've been using, you can only change it once every 7 days. And so that's how you can change your display name. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.